Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to pop the hood, grab the handle right there, pull it back to release the safety. Come over here, and you're going to pull up on the latch. That'll come up and pull up on the prop rod. Stick it right there. All right, we're going to take this 10mm bolt out right here. We use a 10mm socket, an extension, and a ratchet. Pull that out. At this point, this light will come off, come straight forward. It looks like this piece has broken on this vehicle, but normally you'd have to pry a little bit harder to get this off. I'm going to remove this, disconnect the connector right here, just push down and pull. Here's our old front turn signal marker assembly. And here's our new turn signal marker assembly from 1aauto.com. As you can see, the colors are the same, the shape is the same. Flip to the back side. The configuration of the mounting position is the same. You do have to swap the bulb and the socket over in the wiring harness. Get yours from 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. So we're going to pull this connector off first. Just slide it out. Maybe a little bit tricky. Slide it up. And then take the socket out, twist it to the left, and pull. For the new one, we're going to take this little piece off. And we're going to line up the bulb socket, the bigger slots on the bigger holes. Twist, put it in, and then take the connector. I'm just going to slide it on, just like that. Now we're going to connect the electrical connector, just like that. Then we'll align this tab up with that. And slip it in. And take the 10mm bolt, install that, and we'll snug this down. Not too tight because it is in plastic. Put the prop rod down right there. Close the hood.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.